We're now going to have a look at how you solve a two-step equation. It's called a two-step equation because I've got two operations. I've got 3m and then I've added 5 to it. So I've got to multiply by 3 and then I add on 5 and that gives me the answer 35. Now we're trying to make it so we've just got m on its own like we did in those other two examples. Now we can do one of two things here. We could undo this times by 3 first by dividing everything by 3. But that's going to make everything really messy, and that's usually the case with any of these equations. So what I recommend you do when you're faced with a two-step equation like this is first of all make it so that you've got all your letters on one side and all your numbers on the other side. So this 35 is fine. What we could do is getting rid of this 5. So we're going to look at the inverse operation. Now the inverse of adding 5 is taking away 5. Now remember, if we've taken away 5 from this side, to make sure it all stays balanced, we must take away 5 from this side as well. Now here, we've just got 3m left, because plus 5 take away 5 gives you 0. Here we've got 35 take away 5, so that's going to be 30. And now 3 times something gives us 30, so undoing that multiplication with a division and doing the same to the other side to make sure that everything stays balanced, you're left with, well, 3m divided by 3 is just m. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So we've got a value for m. Our equation is solved. Now if you want to check what you've done, we can substitute that value back in. So we can check that 3 times 10 is 30, add on 5 is 35. So our check's correct, so we've got the question right.